we've got a new package. Let's open it.
This is the W205 entertainment system by a company called XTRONS. In terms of the unboxing experience, you're first greeted with the user manual and some instructions. You then find the beautiful 10.5-inch screen, which also comes with 4G and GPS. On the side, you can also see a slot for SIM cards and a SD card. Also comes with a plastic mounting bracket to fit into your car, the main connector, which is really well labelled, makes it easy to install, USB and audio connector as you can see here, and GPS and Wi-Fi connector. And here's a quick view of exactly what comes in the box, just to give you a better idea. I've now installed the screen, so straight away you can see it's touch screen. Got loads of different options: navigation, Bluetooth, music. It comes in with like a couple of tracks already preloaded onto the system. If I go back here, and if I choose, you've got loads dashboard, which kind of gives you like a different color dashboard, and this is just how it looks for the time here. Really nice. It will display your seatbelt and your parking. And go back to home, I've got car info, which will bring up the normal dash that you're kind of used to, and this is working absolutely fine. Let's see if I put it on, working absolutely fine. Really good. So I can change the resolution and the way it's displayed. You can see it's a little bit stretched out, so I can change that all in the settings, which is really good. Click here, right there, and you've got all the different apps that you're used to, so you can browse the internet. You can even download Google Maps on here. You can download YouTube and watch it, and any application from the App Store. So this is the GPS. I just need to route it around the car and then stick it on the dashboard. Also comes with this thing here, which I need to route and stick on the dash as well. This is your Wi-Fi internet antenna. I've just connected my iPhone to it, and you can see I've got Google Maps on here. I can go back, I can access my music, loads of different applications, even my WhatsApp. I've got a notification there as well, and you've got this kind of really nice split screen view if you go all the way to the back. You've got DVD, you've got file manager, so you can just add files onto here, and then you've got your, as I said, other things like phone link, more apps. You can watch videos, Bluetooth, navigation, all the sort of stuff that you're used to. Really nice. I'm really impressed. I feel like this is a little bit slow to react, but maybe it's because my phone is connected to it and it thinks I should be driving. That's the only thing I would say. Overall, love it so far. As I said, it's just the problem with the audio. I think I must have not plugged in a cable properly, but once that's set up, really good. A lot of additional features here to use. Love it.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in a product featured or any similar products that are specific to your needs and your car, then be sure to visit XTRONS website appearing on the screen right now. Also, if you use this code NEWTECHBF22, you'll get VIP early access to Black Friday deals. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.